Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the square roots in different situation. What do you mean by different situations? Means different conditions. So the first condition is when area of square is given to you. When area of square is given to you, how to find side? Let's start. Let we have a square having four sides equal to each other. I'm just going to give the name A, B, C, D. So we have a square A, B, C, D where AB is equals to BC, BC is equals to CD and CD is equals to DA. Means all the four sides are equal. Okay. So now area. Area of square is given. That is equals to let area of square is given to you. This is our first condition. So whenever the area of square is given, that is in this question, this is 144 centimeters squares. As you all know, the units of area is always in square units. Okay, so you have to find side. Now what is the formula to find area of square? Formula is area of square side square. So here area of square is given to you, that is 144 is equals to side square. Now or how you can write it like that? You can also write it like that. Side square is equals to 144. So now side is equals to, it will converted into root 144. So you can easily find out the square root of 144. 2 sevens are 14. 2 twos are 4. 2, you know very well how to factorize. Okay, so this is factorization method. We already have done this. So 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 2 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So here when 2 times any number occurs, you can write it for single time. 2 3 3 comes 2 times, so it should be written only for single time, but here see 3 should come here. Okay. So let's do it. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 12. So therefore root of 144 is equals to 12. So your side is equals to 12 centimeter. Answer. Got it, bacha? So let's start our next situation, next condition. So what are our next condition? When side of square is given to you, side is given to you. See beta, this is again we have a square. The sides are equal to each other, so that's why AB is equals to 8 centimeter. Then BC is also is equals to 8 centimeter. CD is equals to 8 and AD or DA is equals to 8 centimeter. So whenever side is given to you, you have to find the length of diagonal. How you can find the diagonal length? So let's start. So here this is the solution. Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras was a great mathematician. He gave us a formula to find unknown value of a triangle. So see, of which type of triangle? Right angled triangle. This is the condition. If there is no right angle, Pythagoras theorem is not applicable. Okay, so see, you can see beta, like this type of diagram is given to you. Yes, so A, B, C, D, all sides are equal, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. You have to find diagonal. This is called diagonal, AC. Okay, so can I extract only this part from that diagram? A, B, C. Can I extract it? So see beta, this is 90-degree angle. So this type of triangle is known as right angle triangle. So this is 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. The AC value you have to find out. Let this is x centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem, one more thing I want to clear to you that, see beta, this is called AC is hypotenuse. BC is base. AB is perpendicular. Fine beta. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So simply put the value. What is hypotenuse? AC square, base BC square, perpendicular AB square. Now what is the value of AC? This is unknown value, x square, BC 8 square, AB 8 square. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. So 64 plus 64 gives you 8, 12, 128 x square. Now this is not our solution. You have to find value of x. So what should be our next step? Factorization. Very good. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Okay. So when 2 times 2 occurs, you have to write for a single time. 2, 2, 1 is left. This shows that 120 is not a perfect square. Okay, bacha? So simple. X is equals to, can be shifted like that, this 2, and change it into under root. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. What is left here, beta? Only 2. So single 2 is here. That's why we are going to write it like that. Under root 2. So this is your 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 root 2 centimeter is our side. So this is your answer. Is it okay? So now our third condition is also relevant to the second one. So what is our third condition? In right angle triangle, the two sides are given to you. One is missing. Same beta, same. If have a look on this diagram, this AC, AB 5 centimeter is given to you. BC is x centimeter. AC is 3 centimeter. So you have to find value of BC, base. So as you know, AB is hypotenuse, BC is base, AC is perpendicular. Values are given to you using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. What is hypotenuse? That is 5. What is base? That is x, which you have to find. Perpendicular is 3. Simply solve it and you will get value of x. Okay, beta? Hopefully this concept is